Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. Well, today you're in my kitchen because you guys are going to be cooking with moi. Today is my girl's birthday, my right hand's birthday. You guys know her. We've done a video before. No, not on my channel, but we did a video on her channel. Nika and Nick, go check them out. Alright, so as I said, today's her birthday. Today's the 23rd of May. So I'm going over by her house and she loves her belly. I decided to spoil her with what she loves, our gut. So as I said, I got her 2 out of the 3 things that she asked for because my nana goat. And I got her the chicken, which I'm gonna bake, and the fish. I'm gonna do some rice and peas. I already seasoned those from last night, but what I used were simple. These simple little ingredients. No, I didn't use this. My complete seasoned oil. No, this is for the gravy, and some ketchup. Yes, I put ketchup on the chicken. Also with my maggie seasoning, the fish for the fish, and the chicken for the chicken. Also some black pepper, salt, and scallion and thyme, and that's about it. So let's pick up where we left off. First thing your girl's gonna do is preheat her oven and start off with my peas. So let's go do that. So your girl's stove is lit, the peas is on, and the oven is lit. Preheating it at 250 because that's the highest. I don't have any 3 whatever, so it's 250 for me. Let's go. I forgot my card. Sweet card. I think I'm gonna do some sweet card as well. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it like 40 to 45 minutes, but I'm going to stuff it in between and turn it so it is easily. So I'm gonna stuff it like in 20 minutes time, turn the chicken, take it out of the oven and turn it, and then put it back in for another 20 minutes. See you in 20 minutes. So this is where I'm about to go turn the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn these. And start my sauce. Perfect. So my peas is ready. You will not get me to try the peas. I just squeeze it along the side of the pot. When it's soft enough, I know it's ready. I don't eat peas. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead now and season this, get it back on the stove, and then start my sauce. Yes, I put sugar in my rice and peas, but you can never tell because you can't taste my sugar because I just put like 1 tablespoon. Who's asking the question why sugar? Because I just love the flavor that it gives. Yes, I'll have a sweet tooth. I love the flavor that the sugar gives, but when there's too much sugar in the rice and peas, that's a big turn off. generally. Now I'm gonna add my coconut milk and allow that to boil while I start my sauce. So for my sauce, I went ahead and sauteed some seasoning, onion, tomato, pepper, a scallion, yeah. So I just went ahead and I sauteed that. Let it fry up a little more, and then I'm gonna add in my soy sauce and all the others. I saute with oil and butter because butter makes everything taste better, literally. I love butter. Then I'm not gonna make the sauce from scratch because I have some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use that. I really don't like the barbecue sauce by itself, so I'm going to use it to make the, what am I making again? Oh, the baked chicken sauce, yeah. Let's go. So about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Oh, my flame is on low. Yeah, it's on low. And now I'm gonna add listen. You see, when it comes to telling you the judgment of my ingredients, I suck at that. But I'll put the correct ones in the description below. Most likely it's like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of things, but I do it to my liking. You get me? So when they say a tablespoon of this or a tablespoon of that, if I add the tablespoon and it doesn't add up to my expectation, believe me when I say I'm going to go over whatever they said. So I just added some ketchup. Now I'm combining everything together. And then I'm gonna add some water. Whoever asked why my water looks so now. It's because it's my seasoned water from off the chicken. Can't make all of that season they go to waste. Crazy. So I'm gonna turn up back my heat now. All the knob hot. And allow that to simmer down. Time to put in my rice. I added some more butter. Now I'm gonna add my thyme and some more scallion. Yeah, you. Yippee. With my rice and peas, I add butter and I add some oil for the sheen. Now I'm gonna wash the rice and get it in. Now that it's at a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Maggie seasoning, some more of my complete seasoning, and then a mustard. Alright, so now that the chicken is finished, I'm going to go ahead. Now you can either brush on your sauce, but I'm not up for that because I want everything. So I'm going to pour it all over fried chicken. Make sure that it's in every crevice and corner. Yeah. So there we go. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. So before putting it back in the oven, I went ahead and I turned them again. So yeah, let's go. After the meat is still in the oven, so I went ahead and I started my corn, and I just seasoned it with some of my complete season. And now I'm about to put some butter. I put butter in almost everything because butter makes everything taste better. I won't stay. Screw you. But yeah, I'm gonna let that do, and I'm going to go ahead now and do my fish. See you back because I ain't taking no splash. Alright, so I took it out in 10 minutes. Wasn't pleased with the gravy, the sauce, whatever. So I put it in back for another 5 minutes, and that's the outcome. Yummy. 2 hours. I am finally through. Rice and peas, the baked chicken, fish, and my corn. Alright, so this is the final product. I am sweating like hell, so I won't be showing my face right now. But the rice and peas, corn, fish, and the baked chicken. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and I'll be right back. Open up! Happy birthday! I see you, Josh. I see you. I'm coming. You're not eating no. Just say. Hi, Mika. Hi, meet Mika. Mika, say hi. Be nice. Be nice. Just be nice. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hey. Hey. I missed you. Can I acknowledge?
You want ice cream on your foot?
Oh, sure. We're eating baked chicken down there.
Okay.
Hi, Mommy.
I thought so.
Hi. Then look at my nephew. Watch niceness. Look here. Watch niceness. Come. Nika, so what do you think?
We know business.
I missed them by
Anything them pull over, I have an asthma attack. You understand?
I'm driving with some criminals, guys. Some criminals. Anyway, we're on our way now. Over here, so now I always get to catch fish.
Mama, come.
We're on our way now to the birthday girl's home.
period.
So yay, let's go. Music. Bye guys, I'll see you when we're there.